Thank you.
Oops.
Is that the biggest ass you've ever seen?
Lie down, Chauncey. Lie down! Lie down, Chauncey!
He's deaf.
I'm not deaf. I just can't stand listening to her.
You don't fix me, okay? Please, don't fix me. I won't look at another female ever, I swear. Anything but my manhood, man. Not my manhood, please. Yo, baby, what's up? You looking pretty sweet there, sugar. Is it?
No, I'm done, please. Please, no, please, stop.